There is still a common misconception or misunderstanding about the difference in concrete and cement. Cement is the material that is in a powdered form and provides the chemical reaction, bonding aggregates together through the paste produced. Concrete is the final product of aggregates, cement, admixtures, and water mixed together to form a mix. This concrete mix is poured and finished, and after the hydration and curing process, provides a solid rock-like surface. To call a sidewalk a cement sidewalk, for instance, would be similar to calling a cake a sugar treat. While the sidewalk does contain cement, it could not be a sidewalk without the other necessary ingredients, in the same way a cake could not be a cake without the flour, eggs, etc. The original 1938 batch plant was replaced with a new batch plant in 1957. This plant operated until 1996, when the current plant was built and relocated on the north end of the property. The current Erie Stayer plant has modernized the process, removing levers and replacing them with buttons and computer keyboards. This computerized process is capable of delivering high-quality concrete at a maximum rate of 150 yards per hour. On multiple occasions, Salina Concrete has supplied projects within the city of Salina in which over 1,000 yards were poured in a single day. The Erie Stayer plant is operated with a command Alcon control system. This system is a computer-controlled process using state-of-the-art technology to produce premium concrete. The system uses probes and scales weighing out materials to the pound and continually checks moisture readings, making adjustments as necessary as materials are loaded into the truck's drum. This state-of-the-art technology continuously measures material densities and moistures to ensure a good mix is delivered to customers. Salina Concrete is concerned with being good stewards of our natural resources. To this end, a state-of-the-art BFK Technologies concrete reclaimer was installed in 2011. This reclamation system allows all unused concrete to be recycled so that all aggregates are reclaimed and available for reuse. Additionally, all water is contained within the system, preventing any unwanted runoff. As the video shows, when drivers return with excess concrete, they back up to the reclaimer. When the truck backs up the ramp, a sensor registers that the truck is in position and discharges recycled water into the drum, watering down the mix. The truck will then mix the excess water into the mix and discharge the watered-down material through the reclaimer. As the materials pass through the screens, all of the sand, rock, and cement is cleaned and segregated. The pump then kicks on, flushing the concrete with water and sifting it through a grate system separating the sand and rock. These aggregates are then cleaned and available to be blended back into the existing aggregate stockpiles for future use. All the water is then retained within the system and reused to clean future loads, providing a self-contained system without any adverse effects on the environment. Salina Concrete's fleet began with 1- and 2-yard chain-operated mixers. The fleet consisted of 6 trucks by 1945 and continued to grow through the years in terms of number and capacity. Over-the-road trucks, similarly, were undersized by today's standards and required unloading by hand. Currently, Salina Concrete has a fleet of 8 mixer trucks with 10-yard drums, 2 semis, 2 boom trucks, and a flatbed to address the wide array of products for our customers' needs.